Everywhere you go, always take the weather with you. Everywhere you go, always take the weather.
It's amazing to see how drastic of a change that can occur in such a short amount of time. Good afternoon, South Jersey. Remember Monday? We were friends with Monday. Our high temperature rose to 65 degrees before some clouds and showers cooled us down. It was a very nice and comfortable day. Well, as if Mother Nature was playing some kind of cruel prank on us, we dropped to 23 degrees on Tuesday morning, tying our record low. In just a 12-hour period, we dropped 42 degrees, and that is a showcase of how fast the weather can change right here in South Jersey. I think we see one last cool day. Cool air still sticking around. We have a high pressure out to the west funneling in that cool air, but temperatures will be on the rise from here. Our next chance of rain will come in on Friday. Light or heavy, that remains to be unanswered at this point. Depending on the track of this low, we could be seeing periods of heavy rain, or if it's further out to sea, then we would be in for a lighter scenario. I will continue to track that and update you. Warmer this weekend. We will definitely be into the mid to upper 50s by Saturday and Sunday, but that will lead to a very challenging temperature forecast going into the beginning of the week, Monday and Tuesday. I have a lot of question marks, and I'll explain why. Today, another sunny day. It will be breezy at times, and we do have a fire weather warning, meaning conditions are conducive for brush fire. So if you're a smoker, please try not to throw that cigarette or cigar out of your window, because brush fires can and do happen. We actually had one in Maryland yesterday, and you could smell the smoke from the point in Cape May. We'll do 49 to 50 today. West wind to 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow, basically a carbon copy, maybe a degree or two warmer, sunny and blue. The clouds will increase late. The wind will shift to the southwest as our storm system approaches 10 to 15 miles an hour. Wow, look at all that convection down in Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. Lots of heavy rain, lots of severe weather, and it will be heading over into the Florida Panhandle region for tomorrow. It will head up the coast. Again, depending on the track further out to sea or closer to the mainland will determine how much rain we get, but it does look like it will be out of here early on Friday afternoon. It will be a quick hitting system. Once it ejects itself out over the coast, it will storm, no pun intended, up the coast at a very fast pace. It's not going to meander along the south here. It'll be out of here on Friday night. This is what I was talking about in terms of the temperatures. We will have a very common spring phenomena called a backdoor front. And depending on where this front sets up, well, we could be in the 60s and 70s or the 40s and 50s. This is the key. If the front sets up to our south, we will be on the cooler and possibly even wetter side of things. But if the front is to our north between New York City and Rhode Island, well, then we would be in the 60s and 70s. Nonetheless, I do think that the shore communities with a sea breeze off of the ocean, you guys will be 10 degrees cooler than what we see on the mainland. So let's cross our fingers that we are on the southern end of this front. Your 5-day forecast, once we get the rain out of here for your Friday at 53 degrees, the temperatures begin to moderate. Sunday, 56, partly sunny skies, and Monday, we'll split the difference. I'm not going to put 70 on this map just yet until I determine more data and digest it and get you a forecast. But we will go 60 on your Monday with mostly sunny skies. Hopefully by the end of today and tomorrow I can up that a little bit in the 65 and 70 degree category. Thanks for logging on to Village Weather Online. I'm NorEasterNick. Have a great day.
Everywhere you go.